Welcome to the future of knife sharpening. Say goodbye to dull knives and frustrating sharpening methods. Our rolling knife sharpener is the game changer your kitchen needs. Why this sharpener? 4 sharpening stages: diamond, whetstone and ceramic for a pro-level edge. Fixed magnetic angles: 15 degrees, 18 degrees, 20 degrees, 25 degrees for every knife type. 0 skills needed. Just push, pull and sharpen like a pro. CNC aluminum alloy base. Sleek, strong and built to last. Futuristic design. A sharpening tool that looks as sharp as it makes your knives. Whether you're a home cook, pro chef or knife collector, this is your must-have kitchen upgrade. Get effortless precision every time. Watch our videos for expert tips, epic tests and jaw-dropping before and after results. Subscribe now and take your knife skills to the next level.